Right, just to finish at the end, make sure your credit card is not on your account. So if they've gone in and they've clicked buy something, there isn't a buy now option with your credit card details, right? So make sure. So on this one, because my stuff is there, you can add funds, right? Put it on my PayPal, put it on my credit card, or I can order and pay. And I just have to add to the password because my credit card is in there, or my PayPal account is in there, right? So to make sure you're not, there's two places you can always check. And what I would do, your son, your daughter, or whoever's using your card, tell them to delete your card details every single time they use it. Make sure that you get an email every time that you buy anything, or that anything is being used on your card. So go here to settings. So go up the top to settings. Sorry, so press the place. If you're in FIFA, press the PlayStation button. It says PS in the middle. Go to settings. And then go to, I do it, but I can't remember last time I did it. Account management. Account management. Account information. Wallet. Change your payment methods, right? Click on payment methods, and you want this to be blank. You don't want this to be, this is too much of a temptation for your kids to have payment information in there, right? So put your password in, and if it's got any card details, or it's got bank account details, or it's got PayPal information, delete them, right? Delete them. So I'm not going to go into mine because I'll have to blur it out, but it will say credit card or it will say PayPal. Delete them, right? Your other option, and it's possibly a better one, is to go to PS4. I'm trying to get out here. Why don't you let me out? Close the screen. You can go to PS4 network, right? What is the login for that? So type in PS4 network, or if you're on Xbox network, and log in PS4 PlayStation.com, right? Well, it makes sense. And sign in, right? Sign in to that account. Yeah. Email and password. Make sure it's an email you can access, even if it's your kid's account that sends you emails every time something's purchased. Right? Then go here, payment management, right? So your profile's up here, payment management. Right? And you're going to get payment methods here. It's going to show them. So here's my PayPal. I can click on it and I can remove it. Yes. Right? Remove it. So blank. No payment methods. So go to PlayStation.com, log in, payment management, delete payment methods. Every time you let your kids buy something, whether you do it on PlayStation wallet here, tell your kids. My nephew used to buy stuff. I said delete the credit card the second you've used it, because you can't be trusted not to go back in and use it again. We've seen the effects opening packs can have. Better players, telling your friends, posting. These kids are posting on Instagram their packs, right? I don't even know what Twitter. If we went to Twitter, FIFA 20 pack, right? And probably the Egyptian so this guy recorded his pack opening. This is what kids want to do. They want to record it and say, look, I've got Salah in a pack. I've got Benzema in a pack. Here's my pack, PK. All this stuff, sharing with your friends how good my team is versus yours. you've got to remove the temptation of opening packs, buying packs, and quick playing FIFA 20. So I hope this helped. I hope this video, I know it's an hour long, but I think it was probably worth watching because it could cost you a lot of money if you don't turn things off, right? So I hope it helps. Any question, leave the comments. Let me know what you think. Any other things I can follow up on, I will try to. I didn't realise this was going to be an hour long, but I hope it helped.